rigid strapping to give the outside of your ankle a little bit of support. Take the tape and make an anchor a couple of inches above your ankle bones, and we don't want any tension on that tape. So keeping your foot pointing up so it's nice and stable on the outside, we're going to start from the inside, anchor it at the top, and then run along with just a slight amount of tension coming up the outside. We don't want to go too tight because as soon as you put your weight through it, your foot's going to spread out, and that helps to give the tape tension. So cross over half of that first line of tape that we put on, follow along with your hands. I'm just popping my hand here so that I'm not pulling too hard up on the outside of your foot. And then finishing with that second piece of tape half over that first again. Now we're going to do a heel lock on each side just to give this part here a little bit less movement. So starting at the top at our anchor, coming across the ankle, behind the heel, around, holding again so we're not pulling too tight, and coming up to finish exactly where we started. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So we're going to start at the anchor, come down, it's going to crease a little as we turn the corner, underneath the heel, up, and then finishing exactly where we started. Lock off all those loose ends. The tape's not going to go anywhere when you start lifting weights. So just for a little bit of extra support, bring that foot back up into neutral. Starting at the front of the foot, round behind the back of the ankle, and then finishing where you started. Overlapping by half. And then just to keep the tape down, lock it off across the front of the ankle joint. And then with no tension, just lock off those loose ends at the front of your foot.